You might think it's easy for AI to generate a word, but in reality, every token it produces requires real-world energy and computing power. Tokens don't just appear out of thin air, they're calculated step by step by massive computing systems. Traditional CPUs are smart, but they're more like old professors who are good at solving problems one by one, handling only a limited number of tasks at a time. Large models require AI accelerator chips, which are more like a huge group of people working simultaneously, making them suitable for massive parallel computations. Tens of thousands of matrix operations happen at the same time, all just to generate the next tiny token. Moreover, every time AI predicts a new token, it has to refer to all the content that has already been generated. The longer the content, the heavier the burden. The real bottleneck isn't just how fast the calculations are, but also how quickly data can be transferred. Data in the cache needs to be constantly delivered to the computing units. Many times, it's not that the chip can't handle the computation, but that it's waiting for data to arrive. It's often the data transfer that slows things down. The longer the context, the more historical information is stored in the cache, and the cache fills up quickly. Why is long text so expensive? This is the reason. To solve this problem, we need to bring data closer to the computation. If the bridge is too narrow, then move the warehouse next to the workshop. This is where the value of advanced packaging lies. It opens up more high-speed data channels within a very small chip area. Some new architectures even directly connect different silicon dies together, all to further increase transmission bandwidth. When these bottlenecks are eliminated, tokens can be generated faster and more reliably. But performance improvements don't come for free. The faster the speed, the higher the bill behind it. Accelerator cards, data centers, electricity, liquid cooling, and production capacity. All of these are factored into the real cost of each token. This is also why tech giants are building compute clusters with hundreds of thousands of accelerator cards. It's not just for show, it's to support the massive production of tokens. All those huge infrastructure investments are ultimately distributed across every model call and every single token. So every time you click to generate, distant server racks, power meters, and cooling systems are all involved. Remember this, no matter how virtual AI is, it can never escape physical costs.